Hi friends, Carol Brevet here. If you've ever wanted to build something online, learn real wealth building skills, or just stop guessing and finally get clear direction, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to give you a quick look inside one of the most powerful tools I've ever seen for personal and financial growth. It's called the VYB Vault. Let me tell you, it's not just another training hub. This is an entire on-demand education system packed with value from real experts, and it's changing lives. So, what exactly is the VYB Vault? It's a full-blown digital education library with training classes from over 30 different educators, people who are actively winning in their space and teaching you step by step how to do it too. And inside you'll find everything you need to see, everything you need to succeed in today's digital world, like crypto from A to Z, understand blockchain, how to buy and manage crypto, even how to use decentralized finance, or DeFi, sorry, Forex trading from absolute beginner to advanced strategy, and it's available in English, Spanish, and French. AI marketing and training, learn how to use automation tools and create content that converts. Mindset coaching, because let's be real, you can't grow income without growing your thinking. Fitness training from beginner to advanced, so you can build your health while you build your wealth. And let's be real, no matter how much money you have, if you don't have your health, it doesn't matter. We have training on sports betting, ethical strategic training from people who treat it like a business and not gambling. It's basically a one-stop shop for becoming a better version of you financially, mentally, physically, and spiritually. Yes, they will be adding the Faith-Based Academy in here. And you can see right here, there's Welcome to VYB, there's onboarding, there's Legend membership exclusive for training on how to share this, VYB Fitness, Legend membership onboarding. Here's one of the Forex Academy trainings, and this goes well over into here. There's more live Forex trading from different people. See, these are live classes, guys. And then they record the classes for you to watch later. Here's some mindset performance coaches. And this has just begun. We're like days old, literally. So the fact that they have this much in here is amazing. Crypto from live educators and education. Forex flow in Spanish. Forex flow in French. Sports betting education. Wealth education, because if you earn it and you don't know how to manage it, you're going to lose it all. You don't want to be like the lottery winners, right? AI marketing and branding. Again, this is just the beginning, guys. This is like, we are literally days old. I was shocked that they had as much in there as they do. And we have a calendar of events. And you click on the calendar, and let me look over here. You click on this calendar, and you'll see, look at all these classes. Isn't that great? This is like phenomenal. Daily classes to daily inspire yourself. And then we just come right back to the vault. Now, why is the vault different? Here's the difference between the vault and everything else that's out there. This isn't just a bunch of outdated PDFs or courses from people who haven't made a dime in years. Okay, you just saw that. This is real-time training from real educators that are multi-millionaires, guys. And they're in this. This Forex training is worth thousands and thousands of dollars, guys. Okay? This is real-time training from real educators. And it keeps growing as the market changes. And I know there's going to be more educators as we go. And as we go, there's just going to be a ton of content in here. Plus, you're learning while you're earning. You can be earning from trading Forex. You can be earning from the crypto sector. You can be earning also from the legacy network when you share this. Okay, and you're sharing it to people that need to earn some extra money. Maybe you just need some extra money. Maybe you need more than just a little bit of extra money. This was built for people like us, parents, grandparents, busy women of faith who don't want to waste our time or money trying to figure it out alone. Whether you've never done anything online before or you're ready to scale something that you've already started, the Vault meets you right where you're at. So if you're ready to learn the skills that matter and create real income and step into a life of purpose, peace, and possibility, then click the link below and get inside the VYB Vault today. The VYB Vault, to get in the VYB Vault, you do need at least a pro membership. And the best part, I'll be right there with you, learning, earning, and growing, and building a legacy together. Let's do this. Go ahead and click the link below, or send me an email if you have any questions, or post your questions down below. Okay? God bless.